Two women were molested at a government institutional quarantine center in Bengaluru, and not one of the government officials spoke about it. Now, we confronted the BBMP commissioner earlier today, and he went on to admit that it was a huge lapse on the part of the BBMP to have quarantined the men and the women together in one institutional quarantine center. Well, right here at the HSR layout in Bengaluru, where we are, this is in fact the very institutional quarantine center where this incident of molestation has come to light. It's very unfortunate that nearly 60 people, of whom about 50 were men and about 8 women, were quarantined in this very center. They were in fact sharing the same facilities, right from the washroom to the rooms, as well as what we're picking up. And now that, of course, the commissioner, the BBMP commissioner, Mr. Anil Kumar, has admitted to the fact that women and men should have been quarantined separately as per the norms, and it was a lapse. The safety of the women is still under question. There are several people that are still entering the state of Karnataka every day and opting for the institutional quarantine centers because they are unable to pay the hefty prices that are being asked by the hotels. Now, for these women who are opting for the quarantine centers, an incident like this coming to light could be very scary. Why we say this is because, right here at this hostel, remember that this has happened under the watchful eye of the BBMP, of the government health officials as well, and even the police for that matter. Now, also, of course, this is really shocking that's come to light. But having said that, now we'll also have to wait and see as to what measures are taken for, the quarantine centers, especially where the women are being housed. Because remember that as of now, what we're understanding is that as the number of cases in Karnataka too are on the rise, in Bengaluru also particularly, there are several people like these people who had in fact arrived from Mumbai. They had arrived on Friday is what we're understanding, and following which all of them were taken into the same institutional quarantine center, and that is how an incident like this, of course, has come to light. But really coming back to the bigger question of the safety of these women. Now, it's also imperative for us to remember that this particular man who assaulted these two women, who molested them, has been taken into police custody. He has been arrested and a case has been booked against him. But is that merely enough? An incident like this could very well happen again. And remember that this happens, inside the quarantine center. So now, of course, it is about time that the government actually pulled up its socks. And also, while, of course, we are talking about this, it is important to highlight that, there are several such institutional quarantine centers that have been set up in the city of Bengaluru. And even now, as, of course, several people have been entering the city, many of whom are unable to afford the private quarantine centers or, the hotels for that matter. These two women who were molested have been shifted to a private institutional quarantine center where they are now having to pay for themselves. That's 7 days of institutional quarantine, spending nearly about 1,500 each day after having a horrifying experience like this. It is about time that, of course, the authorities woke up and actually understood at this point in time that women's safety must be a priority.